Jai Sriman
By then Rama got off the chariot, came to Dasharatha Maharaju. Ramo Vavande Charanau Pituhu. He did Sastanga Namaskaram to Dasharatha Maharaju. Then Dasharatha Maharaju hugged Rama and asked Rama to sit in a nice throne, nice Simhasanam. When Rama sat in that Simhasanam, Simhasanam is glowing because of Rama's glow. In front of Rama, Dasharatha Maharaju sat in another Simhasanam. And Dasharatha Maharaju thinking that it is almost like he himself looking his form in the mirror. That is what is Rama's form. So he is feeling like while looking at Rama, Dasharatha is feeling like he is looking in a mirror. With that kind of great feeling, with that kind of unbounded happiness, Dasharatha Maharaju started telling to Rama these things. Now, the king Dasharatha Maharaju is telling to Ramachandra Swami that, "Oh Rama, you are my eldest son. Not only that, because you have so many great qualities, tomorrow we are going to make you the prince of this Ayodhya kingdom. Oh Rama, I realize that you are very nice, you are very humble, you have all great qualities. On top of that, I would like to tell few more things to you. Please listen to me carefully. After you become king, do not get into any bad habits. Do not get into any bad addictions. Oh Rama, after you become king, you should be understanding circumstances of the kingdom every second, and you should be getting that message, you should be getting the information about each and every aspect of the kingdom, and make every effort to keep all the citizens happy all the time. Oh Rama, after you become king, whenever any citizen gets to see you, they should feel like they are drinking nectar. To that extent, you should be so pleasing to them. Oh Rama, like this, you should always keep everyone happy and make sure you are not letting this kingdom run into debts. You should also make sure everyone is wealthy. Like this, Dasharatha Maharaju told Rama so many aspects. While he is saying that, there are few friends of Rama who overheard that Dasharatha Maharaju saying, Rama, you are going to become king. So those friends went to Kausalya Mata, Rama's mom, and told her about this good news. Then there are no bounds to the happiness of Rama's mom, Kausalya Mata. Then Dasharatha Maharaju sent Rama to his palace. Rama left from there. Dasharatha Maharaju called on so many ministers and told them again, announced them officially that yes, tomorrow there is going to be a good star, Pushyami Nakshatram. Let us all make this Rama Pattabhishekam grandly. Let us make Rama the prince of this kingdom. Dasharatha Maharaju passed orders with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. You all please repeat. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.